Good morning, everyone. Dennis K here with Belize Islands Real Estate. Hope you're doing well today. Today is Monday morning, 10 o'clock for me, June 7th. And I just wanted to tell you that I went ahead and I scheduled the webinar based on all your feedback for next Sunday. All right, so Sunday at 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time. That'll be about 9 o'clock, I think, for you guys in California. And in Europe here, it'll be about 6 p.m. for you. So just as a confirmation, that is Sunday, June 13th. And I'm going to put the link below so you can register in the video description. Let me just kind of show you what's going to happen when you click on that link. I find this always helpful to kind of like see what's going on. So there you go. So when you click on the link below, this page will come up, the webinar registration page. The theme of this webinar is thriving as an offshore investor and expat. So I'm going to kind of break it up into two parts. Number one is what it means, to me at least, to be an offshore investor, how you can invest some time, some effort, some skills, some capital that you have into another country. This country is going to be Belize because that's the one I'm most familiar with and the country I found to get the biggest returns from. But then I'm also going to talk about what it takes to be a successful expat living outside of your home country, whether it be Canada, Europe, United States, and moving to a country like Belize, either part-time, spending 2, 4, 6 months a year there, or actually relocating and making it your permanent home for the foreseeable future. So I'm going to be talking about those things, but also leaving plenty of time for your questions. I'll try to give you some good answers if I have them. If I don't have them, well, I'll just make something up, or I'll say, hey, look, I don't know. I'll try to find out and get back to you. So there's going to be a lot of time for Q&A. Last time, the webinar lasted over 2 hours. So not sure how long this one will last, but I plan on talking for a little bit about the investing and the expat living, and then try to spend as much time as possible answering your personal questions. I always take these live, and so please get those ready. So when you go to the register our webinar registration link, you're going to see this little short description here, and then here enter your first name, last name, email address. It asks for a confirmation of your email address. Register, you'll get an email. And then in the meantime, between now and next Sunday, if you want, and only if you want, go to the Buy Me a Coffee page. I'll put that in the link below too, and simply go on there and buy Steph and I a couple cups of coffee or hot chocolate or whatever it is you want to buy us. And let's schedule a one-on-one Zoom call, because I find that it's very helpful for me going into these live webinar events. If I have an idea of who's attending, what you're all about, some background information on you, some questions you might already have. And between now and Sunday, if I can pack in as many one-on-one Zoom calls as possible, I'll take all that data that I'll get from those interviews, you might say, or those Zoom calls, and I'll incorporate that into my webinar. So that can be very helpful as well. All right, so if you want to do that, fine. If not, just shoot me an email, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you there. Take care, have a great week, and we'll see you on Sunday.